We're back with another video. This time it's gonna be a Bentley. I believe it's bentayga. I don't really know if I pronounce the name right, but we're gonna replace front windshield. It's really similar to an Audi or the Lamborghini Urus. So we're gonna start removing the wipers and cowling. Passenger and the driver. So let's put up the side moldings. Now the bottom cowling. Out. Yeah. The cowling off, and it has a plug for the heater element right here on the bottom. So you have this little retainer that you have to take off like if it's a nut. So this one retains the clip for the heater element. So it's right here underneath this. It has another one, so I gotta remove this one. Remove this little cover, and there is another retainer. Right here. So it has two. So here's the connection for the heater. You just have to I don't know if it's a better place to hide this, but come on. come out. You see it has this one right here, and then it has another one here, but it doesn't have the opening, so you have to there you go. It's out. I'm just gonna put a piece of tape on it. Just to retain the wire with the glass. All right, so now let's go inside to take it apart. So now I'm gonna disconnect the rain sensor, rear view mirror, and remove the camera. All right, so first we're gonna start with this one. So we're gonna take these up, open up a little bit, then open up the other side. That thing come on. All right, so now we're gonna go for this part right here. Okay, let's try to pull the top first. Get the top out. Now we got this one out already. Twist the mirror, disconnect the mirror, put it in the back seat. Already safe. Okay, now I'm gonna disconnect the right sensor. Just disconnect it. Now remember about these cameras. This one is exactly the same as an Audi. You have to pull it down, okay? Now you have to, it has a little clip over here and another clip over here. You can push it down and break those clips because you don't need this. It's gonna make the job easy for you, okay? Whoops, where'd it go? Alright, gotta look for it right now. It's right here. Found you. Okay, you break those little two tops. It's gonna make the job easy for you. Now you pull it down. There's a gel pad on the camera. If you attach the gel has to be replaced. Okay? So you don't want to touch it. You kind of want to twist it and leave it like this, facing this way. Or if you have a seat back, you could just put a seat back and zip it. So now I got to remove the wires off the bracket because we're gonna start cutting the glass. I don't remove the rain sensor until the glass is completely out. Now remember, I break these little tops. They're right here. One this side and one the other side. I break it because I don't need this windshield. But if you have to save the glass, then you're gonna have to push it down a little bit to unclip the camera. But since I don't need it, that's why I'm breaking it. Make my job easy. All right, so I'm gonna use my Spider 3 to remove this windshield. I already put a new line because I don't wanna snap my old line that I used so many times already. So I think it's time for a new one. So I'm gonna set them up and come back again. that's gonna be our position for the quick set. Let's take this off. Come on. And here's our windshield. All right, let's set this up. So I'm gonna shoot the glue on the glass. Close the caps over here, and we are good. All right, so I got my quick set up already. So I'm running the glue on the glass, ready to set up. And there we go. This tape in here. And that's how it looks. All clean. All right, so this is how it looks after windshield got replaced. So everything back to normal. All these moldings, wipers, cowling, mirror, camera, rain sensor. The heater was connected already under the cowling, and it came out all clean, how it's supposed to be, like nothing happened. Thanks for watching again, and see you in the next one.